Hello guys, so welcome to this video. We are discussing what margin trading terminologies. Now in this video I want to explain all the terminologies, the terms that are used in what margin trading, because if you don't know what these terminologies are, you won't be able to what engage effectively in what margin trading. Now as you can see on this my page now, there is what the red and the green candlestick. Now the table of content for this video will be discussing what I will be defining what margin trading is. I'll be defining short trading, long trading, leverage, and I'll be defining what entry, take profit, as well as what stop loss, the red candle, and what the green candlestick. I'll be explaining what these terms means, because once you know this term, you'll be able to what engage in what margin trading. As you can see below my button, you can see the long and short. I'll be explaining all what these things are. Now a lot of you have asked me to make a video guide explaining what how to what engage in margin trading, how to what trade effectively. Now for starters, I have to what basically show you what all these terminologies are so that we can engage in this series properly. Now I told you guys that I'm going to be doing a series on what long trade and what short trade. Now first off, for you to even get to this interface that I am currently, now I'm making use of what my browser extension, that is what the Chrome extension. Now you can get to this face using your your PC or go through the app. So once you get to the app, you are going to see trade. Then once you go into trade, let me just do it so you guys can see before we start explaining the terminologies. Now here you go. Once you come to this option, look above my screen on the right, you are going to see like a profile icon and a three dotted icon. So once you click this three dotted icon, they are going to give you different options. I want you to know how to effectively choose margin trading at first. So now once you tap on this icon, it's going to display spot trading, margin trading, and what trading API. Now as you can see, now we have spot trading, margin trading, trading API, and the rest option. Now what we are doing for this video is what margin trading. I will come later on to explain how to what engage in what spot trading. Now for this video, based on what demand and request, I want to teach you guys what margin trading terminology so that we can effectively what start the series in proper. Now let's tap on what margin trading. Now first of all, like I told you guys, the table of content for this video is what margin trading, short trading, long trading, leverage, entry, take profit, stop loss, red and green candlestick. Now first of all, before you are going to sign up here, you have to first of all sign in to your SEC.io trading account. So once you sign in, as you can see now, there is a chat that is supposed to load up on the screen, but I'm having a bit poor network. It's going to load up later. But now for the sake of this video, we are not trading. I want to explain these terminologies for you. Now on my right hand side, I just tapped on what long. So let me go back to it again so you guys can see. I want to first of all start explaining long. So once I tap on long, this is it now. Now first of all, let me start with explaining what margin trading is. Please make sure that you are taking notes. I believe you guys are learning from this video. Please make sure what you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel now, because you are going to be learning a lot on this my YouTube channel. I ensure that I equip you with what knowledge, because in the crypto space, in order for you to make money, you have to be equipped with what knowledge. Before you talk about profit, you have to talk about what knowledge. Knowledge is the secret behind every crypto millionaire you see today. So quickly guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know the country you are watching this video from. Ensure what you make the comment section colorful. Drop your country flag in the comment section. If you are watching from Nigeria, let me know the state you are watching from. If you are currently playing the SEC.io power tap airdrop, ensure what you let me know how many SEC power you have and how many what coin balance you have currently. I would love to see that, and make sure I give you what a congratulatory message letting you know that you are what doing well. Now quickly, now what margin trading basically is, it simply means that you are engaged, it's like you are entering into a trade with borrowed fund. Now in order for you to enter into that trade with borrowed fund, it's not as if completely you are not putting in a money. You are going to be depositing some amount of money. That amount of money is what is called margin. So that your money is like collateral, you understand? So once you deposit that money, they are going to be giving you what a leverage. I will go to that later. First of all, margin trading is what you entering into a trade, going to trading with what borrowed funds after depositing some amount of money. You understand? Now first of all, now we are done with explaining what margin trading is. Please make sure you are taking notes, guys. I want you guys to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box, it's in the comment section, and it's on my bio on my Telegram channel. I'll be engaged, I'll be teaching, I'll be going full into a class, a crypto trading class, where I'll be teaching you guys everything you need to know on crypto for newbie and for pros. We will discuss future trading and a lot more on that crypto class. So do ensure what you join my Telegram channel now immediately. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers on Telegram, the class will begin fully. So make sure you join the class, the Telegram channel now immediately. Now I said I want to explain what long trading is. Now in simple term, long trading simply means that you are entering into a trade predicting that there is going to be an uprise or an uptrend in that coin that you are buying. In simple layman's language, you are making a prediction that a coin is going to rise above its current number that you bought it. Are you clear? For example, let me use a huge number so you understand. For example, you are entering into a trade with $1. You are not expecting that in the next maybe few hours or 2 days, you're expecting that coin to get to $1.2. So that is an increase. So that's what long trading simply means. Now, on the other hand, what is short trading? Short trading simply means you are entering into a trade believing that there is going to be a downtrend or a decrease or a decline in that coin. For example, you enter into a trade and the coin is currently worth $1 and you're expecting that coin to go to below 0.9 cents. You understand? So in short trading, it means you are expecting a coin to decline, while in long trading you're expecting a coin to increase. That is that for short and long trading. Now I said I've already told you guys the table of contents, right? So I'm just doing a brief explanation. Do ensure what you save this video so you'll be able to learn, because you are not going to learn this thing once. After watching this video, save it and watch it again. Make sure you drop me a thank you in the comment section, and if you check the comment section, there is a thanks option and membership, so you can join my Telegram, my YouTube membership. Make sure you give me thanks. That's a way to support this channel. Just make sure you give me thanks there. So quickly now, what is take profit? Take profit in trading simply means, okay, let me start by long now. Let me start now. Make sure you are watching my screen closely. Okay, now this is what I was telling you guys now. Are you guys seeing? Now as you can see this chart now, this is it now. There is a green candlestick and there is a red candlestick, right? Green candlestick means there is an increase, red candlestick means there is a decline. That's what it means. Green candlestick means the coin is increasing, while red candlestick means the coin is decreasing. Are you clear? That's simple. Now we'll tap on long. I've explained what long means and what short means, right? Now there are different type of trading option. If you look on my left, look on my screen carefully. If you look on the left side, on the top left, you are going to see what isolated. Now on the case of Sek-Ayo trading app, they didn't provide much option, but we have two options in trading, which is isolated margin and cross margin. What that simply means, isolated means the trade, the amount you entered into a trade, that is what you are going to gain or lose from. What cross means is that if you enter into a trade, right, and what you have as an amount to continue that trade is not enough, right? What you enter as the amount, the trading is going to, in order for you not to be liquidated, the trading is going to cross over to your balance, and it's going to continue in that manner, either for you to make profits or for you to not get liquidated. Liquidated simply means that your balance is insufficient, so they are going to close the market. That's what liquidated simply means. That's in a layman's language. So now the next thing, again, I said I've explained. Now this is leverage. Now if you tap on leverage here, please guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and you can give me thanks. It's available in the comments, section to support this channel. Now this is it. Now in Sek-Ayo trading app, they made available different option. Now this is the leverage. You can make use of this toggle button, right? You can choose the amount of leverage you want. What this leverage simply means is that, for example, you are entering into a trade with $100, right, and you are now choosing 10x. What that 10x simply means, your $100 will be multiplied by 3. In other words, you are entering into that trade with $300. Are you clear? So leverage is a multiplication. Is Sek-Ayo airdrop, is Sek-Ayo, not airdrop, Sek-Ayo trading app borrowing you times X times so amount of your trade, of your deposit, in order for you to engage in that trading. Are you clear? Now the next thing, if you are understanding me, make sure you let me know in the comment section. If you have any question at all, quickly make sure you ask. I'm there to attend to you. I've explained what leverage means, so you guys have to understand this terminology. Now the next thing for us to do is to tap on this option. There is take profit and there is stop loss. What take profit simply means in trading is that you are going to be setting an amount. Remember I told you, now let's say we want to enter a long trade, right? why SecIO trading app is not it's not good enough for beginners is because there is no demo trading in SecIO trading app, and I really want you guys to learn a lot. Now for you to practicalize everything that I'm teaching you, right, you have to engage in demo trading app. Now for me to show you guys how to actually, because it's not just the head knowledge, you need to practice it. In order for me to show you guys these things, I need you to drop a comment in the comment section and let me know that, just tell me that you want to learn how to practicalize this using a demo trading app. Now for you to practicalize this, I'm going to be diving into Bybit. You understand? So after you understand this terminology, we are going to start trading, because I would not like you to trade with your funds. If you enter into a live trading with your funds and you don't know what you are doing, you will lose. But if you understand what you are doing through demo trading, you enter mastery before you enter live trading. What demo trading simply means is that you'll be given a fund to trade. While you are trading, that fund is not yours and you cannot withdraw it, but that trading is going to be happening live, either for loss or for profit. The difference between a demo trading and a live trading is that a demo trading, the money is not yours, it's a borrowed fund given to you by the broker. And in this context, if you want to go to demo trading, we'll make use of Bybit. So let me know that let me know how serious you guys are. Just indicate in the comment section that you want to engage in demo trading. Please guys, for us to effectively make this learning good for us, join my Telegram channel. That's where you'll be able to ask questions, discuss. I'll be giving you guys trades to enter and practicalize. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the comment section, in the description box, and in my bio. Join it quickly, and once you join the Telegram channel, once we reach 1,000, we'll start practicalizing all these things. But learn these things. So once we start that class, I will be directing you back to this video if you have forgotten. Now this is what take profit means. Take profits actually means that once you enter into a trade, either for long or for short, you are choosing an amount that you want to close the trade. For example, listen carefully. You enter into a trade, right? The entry, okay, I told you guys I'm going to explain what entry means. Now let's go back to that. Please guys, follow me carefully, guys. Follow me carefully, please. Follow me carefully so you learn properly. My desire is for everybody to know what they are doing here. And okay, this entry now is because why entry is not revealing here is because I have not placed any trade. You guys can see how the green and the red candlestick is opening up, right? This is how your trade, this like a trading chart of what is going on currently in the market. As you can see, Bitcoin is on an uptrend and it's on a downtrend at the same time. The chart is currently fluctuating based on what is happening in the market. Entry simply means how you enter the market. For example, once you enter, let me make use of Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is what, 98,172 points dollars, right? If I enter into a trade at this amount, my entry is going to show that I enter into this trade at this amount. So entry means the amount of that coin when you enter, what the coin was currently worth when you entered into the market. Now the next thing I want to explain take profit and stop loss. Take profit simply means, for example, now as we saw remember we saw Bitcoin at 98,000, right? Now you are now predicting that Bitcoin is going to move further, and which is going to happen. You now say if Bitcoin hits $99,000, you want to take profit. So you are going to just tap here and impute what 99. Let's see what we are doing. Yes, I have $99,000. So this is $99,000, right? So this is what an asset, that's $99,000. And now, so take profit means you want to take your profit at a certain amount, right? If it's a long trade, you are taking the profit when the coin goes up. Now stop loss is you trying to avoid liquidation. That is, you are saying, okay, now if Bitcoin gets to, let's say, $97,000, please close the trade. So what is going to be happening now in this trade is that once this your take profit, once Bitcoin hits $99,000 as your take profit, your trade is going to close automatically. So this thing is like an automation. You are just going to set in this data, and automatically what you input in this data is going to work. Again, take profit means at a certain amount of gain you want a trade to close. Stop loss means at a certain amount of decrease or decline you want to close the trade. Are you guys clear? If you are understanding me, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me that you're understanding, I want you guys to really learn. Now for this SecIO, now if you want to add funds, the next thing for you to do is to what? Know how to what? Deposit crypto. If you want to trade, before you have money here, you have to what? Deposit. Guys, I've currently explained isolated, leverage, long, short. Now we have different type of order. Look on the right hand side of my screen. You are going to see market, right? If you tap on market, you tap on this button. We have what? Market, and we have trigger. Market simply means you are entering into a trade at the current price. When this our chart opened before, we saw that Bitcoin was at $98,000. So if I want to enter into a trade in this is it now. Are you guys seeing it? You are seeing it, right? Bitcoin is currently what? $98,000 plus, right? If I want to enter through market, I'll be, once I tap on market, that means I'm entering the trade at the current price that Bitcoin is trading. Now this is what trigger means. Trigger simply means, trigger in other words is what? Limits. You are entering the trade believing that, okay, you are telling SecIO trading app that once Bitcoin gets to let's say for an uptrend, are you guys seeing the chart now? It's popping up back. It's just network connectivity. Now if you tap on trigger, you are saying, okay, after setting your take profit and stop loss, now you are telling SecIO that once Bitcoin gets to $99,000, start my trade. Or once it gets to let's say you want to short the coin. Remember, I say short, you are targeting that the coin is going to decline. Long, you are targeting that the coin is going to increase. You understand in simple terms. Now trigger, if you are setting trigger for long or for short, it's either you choose, okay, for example, now as you saw that Bitcoin was trading at 98, you are now putting a trigger that, okay, SecIO starts my trade once Bitcoin increase. That is for long. Then for short, you are saying SecIO starts my trade once Bitcoin starts declining. So you are just going to set in these data. Now everything that I'm saying here might sound magical, but where we are going to be practicalizing it is on a demo trading app, right? So please ensure you indicate in the comment section that you want to start practicing using the demo trading app, and join my Telegram channel. That's where we are going to practicalize it. Join my Telegram channel now, and we'll be making use of what? Bybit account. And join my Telegram channel and let me know that you are there. Once we hit 1K, this class is commencing. The class is free. I'm not charging you guys anything. The class is what? Free. So that is it basically, and that is all what you need to know. Now we have open long and okay, open long simply means once you just tap on open long after setting your what? Take profit and stop loss. Open long just simply means start trade. That's what it means. Then when you go to short, you are going to see what? Open short. Once you tap on open short, it simply means start. That's when you want to what? Activate the trade. You understand? So that's that basically. If you have any other question, make sure you ask me. Now if you want to add funds, you just go and tap what? Add funds. So once you tap on I will not want this video to be extensively long. If you tap on add fund, you are going to be depositing what? Crypto.